Palipat bitang mas kung karon, may na yan ken. Ang kaya, ako lang kaya, Sabado bukas, kaya binawas ko na ako kaya, no, at hindi sayang mga sila.
This is the ICU room.
Konrad, ang buri ko linis, ano, itang pautang na, balo, yan, dinapong ko, magdalang 700. Kasi 20, ito pag-utang 180, balot, lalambat lang ang kanya.
Kaya nakapag-telepono na siya. He's going out today, I think. He's going to his other room, which is the 204 number. He will be there soon. Okay? This is just it. And there are a lot of... There are only 6 people here in the room. And this is the nurse's station. Close to him.
Tua. Nasa bayaran na rin, makaya na nga.
Okay? He's okay now. He will be okay. He is okay. He's talking to one of the caretaker of the fish pond.
Sabihin mo ko nga, contagious na itang tindan ng bomba na panamit pakwamit ang kangkay. Itang kang halan ka rin. Sabi niya, pakayat ang halan, ang bulinan kang mamalayan na. Saka tayo balik, hindi ito kayo, pata magpahin natin. Ne? Saka na kayo, dato siguro mo matama. Sige.
And here is Daddy. Here, Daddy. This is his room in the emergency. Bye. Say hi. I'm okay.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
See you soon. This is Papa.